In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Emo online status. If you want a little more privacy while using Emo, this is a simple setting that can help. Turning off your online status can make it less obvious to other people when you're active in the app. The exact wording of the setting may vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but the process is usually very similar. To begin, open the Emo app on your phone and make sure it is fully loaded. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile section and tap on it. This is where Emo keeps your personal account options and app preferences. After opening your profile, go to Settings. In most versions of the app, this is where you'll find the controls for your account, notifications, privacy, and general app behavior. Take a moment to look through the menu if needed, because different phones may display the layout a little differently. Next, tap Privacy, or in some cases, Security and Privacy. This is the section that manages how visible your account is to other users. If you're trying to limit what others can see about your activity, this is the right place to be. Now look for an option called Online Status if it's available. On some devices, it may appear with slightly different wording, but it should relate to whether other people can see when you are online or active. If you don't see it right away, scroll carefully through the privacy options and read each label closely. Once you find it, turn online status off or set it to nobody or choose the closest similar option shown in your app. This tells Emo that you do not want your online activity to be visible to others. Keep in mind that settings like this can sometimes affect what you're able to see about other people as well, depending on how the app handles privacy. After that, save your changes if the app gives you a save or confirm button. In some versions, the setting may save automatically as soon as you switch it off, so just make sure the change stays in place before leaving the page. That's it. Your Emo online status should now be hidden. If the setting does not appear on your device, it may not be available in your current app version or region, so updating the app may help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.